There are many types of motion. One is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, for example, a car that goes straightly. For curvilinear motion, this car will turn. For vibrating motion, the rubber band will vibrate. For oscillatory motion, I have pen with thread. Rotational and circular motion for top.
Now I have some example of it. Jai Gurudev, my name is Kaviraj and I am going to talk about motion, translating motion. There are two types of translating motion, curvilinear and rectilinear motion. As it moves in a straight line, it is a rectilinear motion. So as it curves, it is a curvilinear.
Today I am going to talk about motion. So one of the motions are rectilinear motion. The example of rectilinear motion is the car. This car. I am a PD and it is a class explain. Today I am here to talk about motion. I have this globe. It's spinning and it's a rotatory motion. And I have this, and this is a curve.